This lecture is about memory mapping. Intelligent devices like PLC and RTUs and loop controller all have memory. And the memory is these devices are used to store programs, data, backups, and the memory and other things. Now, if a device is Modbus compliant, it must have a portion of its memory dedicated to Modbus. So the Modbus has a four types of areas: coils, inputs, input register, and the holding registers. Coils and inputs area consist of 1 bits input registers, and the holding registers are consist of 16 bits. And these are the addresses. Those run in coils area from 1 to 10,000 for the input, 10,001 to 20,000, and for the input registers 30,001 to 40,000, and for the holding registers are 40,001 to 50,000. Now the question is why there is four types of memory areas. Okay, now the PLC, typically PLC has a four types of connections. Those are discrete output, discrete input, and analog inputs and analog outputs. The Modbus was originally designed and developed for the communicate for the communication between PLCs. So therefore, the Modbus memory has a four type of memory areas. In the coils areas, we store a discrete outputs, and in the inputs areas, we store discrete inputs, and similarly, inputs registers we store analog inputs, and holding registers stores analog outputs. So therefore, in the Modbus memory also have four types of memory areas. So it's like a direct mapping with the PLCs.